Valentine's Day is the perfect time to slow down, bake something sweet, and share a little love. Today, we're making 4 adorable Valentine's Day cake pops that are easy, festive, and perfect for gifting or celebrating at home. No advanced baking skills needed, just simple ingredients and a little creativity. Let's get started. We'll begin with a classic favorite, red velvet cake pops. Bake 1 box of red velvet cake mix according to the package instructions, then allow the cake to cool completely. Once cooled, crumble the cake into a large bowl until fine and fluffy. Add 1 full cup of cream cheese frosting, and gently mix until the texture is moist and holds together when pressed. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of mixture at a time and roll into smooth balls. Place the cake balls on a tray and freeze for 30 minutes to help them firm up. Melt 1 cup of chocolate, either white or dark. Dip the tip of each lollipop stick into the melted chocolate, then insert it halfway into each cake ball. Dip each cake pop fully into the chocolate, let the excess drip off, and immediately decorate with red sprinkles. Stand them upright or place them on parchment paper and allow them to set completely. Next, let's create pink champagne cake pops for a touch of elegance. Bake 1 box of vanilla cake mix according to the package directions and let it cool fully. Crumble the cake into a bowl, then gently mix in 1/4 cup of champagne. Add 1 cup of white buttercream frosting and stir until smooth and well combined. Roll the mixture into evenly sized cake balls and freeze for 30 minutes. Melt pink candy melts until smooth. Dip each cake pop into the coating, allowing any excess to drip away. Finish with edible glitter or a light dusting of gold, then let the cake pops set completely before serving. Now, let's make chocolate-dipped strawberry cake pops. Prepare 1 box of strawberry cake mix according to the package instructions and allow it to cool completely. Crumble the cake into a bowl and mix in 1 cup of strawberry frosting until evenly combined. Roll the mixture into cake balls and freeze for 30 minutes. Melt 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate until smooth. Dip each chilled cake pop into the chocolate, coating it fully. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle with crushed freeze-dried strawberries for extra flavor and texture. Allow the cake pops to set completely before serving. Finally, we'll make heart-shaped cake pops, perfect for Valentine's Day. Bake 1 box of cake mix in any flavor you like, and let it cool completely. Crumble the cake into a bowl and mix with 1 cup of frosting until smooth and moldable. Instead of rolling into balls, gently shape the mixture into hearts using your hands or a heart-shaped mold. Place the hearts on a tray and chill for 30 minutes. Melt red or pink candy melts. Dip each heart-shaped cake pop into the melted coating and decorate with sprinkles or edible glitter. Allow them to cool completely before serving or packaging as gifts. These Valentine's Day cake pops are sweet, simple, and made with love. Perfect for sharing, gifting, or enjoying with someone special. Be sure to check out this video for more.